Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix if voicemail notification won't go away on Moto G37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and volume up button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps and click on CR. After click on CR, click on phone app and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so click clear cache phone app. After clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset option. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset all settings. Click on reset all setting, enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.